Let me guess, you can understand Chinese, maybe read it, definitely recognize it. But when someone asks you a question in Chinese, your brain just, freezed. Nothing came out. Or worse, you default to English. I know exactly how you feel because 90% of my students start here. Here's what's happening in your brain. You have been learning Chinese in an input mode. Listening, reading, watching, but speaking, that's output mode. It uses completely different neural pathways. It's like knowing every basketball rules, but never touch a ball. Of course you can't play. But here's the good news. Speaking confidence isn't about knowing more Chinese. It's about moving through predictable stages. Today, I'm giving you the exact map. This is my Chinese speaking map. 5 stages from completely silence to natural expression. Here's what changes everything. Instead of feeling like a failure for not speaking perfectly, you will know exactly where you are and what to do next. Let's find your stage. So, stage 1, I never speak. You know some Chinese, but you stay silent. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes, or you think, I need to learn more first. Your brain tells you, what if I say it wrong? What if they laugh? What if I forgot everything? So, your mission this week is say one real Chinese sentence, not from a textbook, not repeating a video. Your sentence about your life. For example, 我今天很累. I'm tired today. Or 我喜欢这个. I like this. Say it to a mirror, your cat, your coffee cup. It doesn't matter. The point is, you create it, you say it. Try writing it here, that way you can celebrate your first victory. Stage 2, I repeat after videos. You are shadowing YouTube teachers, repeating podcast sentences. That's good, but you are still in a karaoke mode, singing someone else's song. So your missions, take any video sentence and change it to match your life. So for example, the video says, 我去学校, I go to school. You can say, 我去公司, I go to the office. The video says, 我有一个哥哥, I have an older brother. You can say, 我有一只猫, I have a cat. This tiny change, it's huge. You are not copying anymore, you are creating. You can jot it down like this. Video sentence, your version, it's a great way to see your growth. Stage 3, I try to say something real. This is the breakthrough stage. You have said a few real things, maybe ordering food, maybe texting a friend, maybe talking to yourself while cooking. But it's sporadic, inconsistent. Someday yes, someday no. So your mission is one real Chinese interaction every day this week. Here are the options. Leave a Chinese comment in the social media. Voice message yourself about your day. Think out loud in Chinese for 1 minute. Post in our community with tag MySpeakingMap. You will find others at exactly stage as you. You are not alone. Stage 4. I speak even when nervous. Your Chinese isn't perfect. You still feel uncertain. But here's the key. You speak anyway. You have learned the secret. Communication beats perfection. So your mission is, use Chinese for one functional task this week. Something like make a phone inquiry, explain something to someone, teach someone a Chinese word. The nervous won't disappear, but you will prove you can function despite it. That confidence, not the absence of fear, but action despite fear. Stage 5, I express myself freely. You can share opinions, tell stories, make jokes. Not perfectly, that's not the point, but naturally. You have found your Chinese voice. It might sound different from your English voice. That's normal. You are experiencing the world in 2 languages now. So your mission is share something meaningful in Chinese. Your thought at a movie, a childhood memory, your dreams. Record it, share it, inspire someone at stage 1 to keep going. So here's how to use the map. Step 1, mark your current stage honestly. No judgment. Stage 1 is not bad. Stage 5 is not good. They are just the locations. Then step 2, set a 1-month goal. Which stage do you want to reach? Most people can move up 1 stage per month with daily practice. Step 3, do your weekly mission. Small, specific, achievable. Step 4, track your progress. The this week I said action, feel it. Seeing your words on paper makes them real. Step 5. Share with my speaking map hashtag accountability plus celebration. Right now, learners inside our community are using this exact map, share daily wins, supporting each other through stage 1 silence, and celebrating stage 5 breakthroughs. One learner posted their very first stage 1 sentence, 我的咖啡很好喝. My coffee is nice. The community cheered them on, and that encouragement helped them reach stage 3 in just 6 weeks. Another learners shared their stage 4 nerves about a job interview in Chinese. Others jumped in with predictable tips. And with that support, they walked into an interview with confidence and got a job. This isn't just a map, it's a movement, from silence to confidence, together. Look, I've taught thousands of students, and here's what I know. The difference between those who speak and those who don't isn't talent or time. It's having a clear path and taking small steps. This map is your path. Your mission is your step. You will free Mandarin Phrases guide waiting for you in the description. Real-life expressions you can start using today. Comment your current stage below. Just type stage 2 or stage 4, whatever is true. I personally respond to everyone in the first hour. And remember, every Chinese speaker you admire was once at stage 1, too afraid to say 你好. Where will you be 1 month from today? 加油! Your voice matters in any language. If this video helped, give a like and check one more video on my channel to keep building your Chinese voice. I will see you in next video. Bye.